Could have been the one to put the ring on your finger. Any big deal, but I do. For the last time, put yourself in my shoes. If Bunny get you. I'm a white token, Venice.
I picture us rolling in a road, yeah. Pull the curtains back, go kosher. Make me feel some type of way. Got me changing on my playaways, ayy, yeah. Every time you slide through, go crazy. You give me.
I just want to apologize for the nosy background. I'm sorry. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kat, and I know I've been gone for the longest, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. In today's video, as you can tell by the title, I will be doing a no makeup, a no foundation, blah 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 type of makeup. I think I found the perfect summer, and it's not only just summer, this is what you call a everyday look. There's times where I be doing my makeup like full-on makeup and we consider it everyday, but no, this is what you call everyday makeup. This thing would only take you like 5 minutes, literally. Like when I'm rushing out the house, I just take 5 minutes out my time, boop 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 boop, and my makeup is done. A little pop, but I don't want to do like the whole shebang bang, you know what I mean? This is definitely a look I've been loving. It's so lightweight. Sometimes, I mean, not even sometimes, all the time, I fool a lot of people because they be thinking I don't have no makeup on, and you know, in reality I kind of do. So I just hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment something that you like about this video. And yeah, let me know if you guys love this video, and follow me on all my social media, and I'll talk to you guys next time. To achieve this natural everyday no makeup look is to always start off with a fresh, clean face, right? You want to make sure that your skincare routine is A1, because without that, you would not get that flawless makeup look that you're trying to go for. So now I'm taking my Hydro Grip primer, and I'm just going to apply that throughout my entire face. Also, I do want to mention, do not forget to apply your SPF. I didn't apply my sunscreen for this look for the sake of this video, but remember, it's an everyday makeup, so you want to make sure that it is a part of your skincare regimen, your makeup. Like, do not forget that. It's so important to protect your skin from the sun. So now we're going to conceal our dark marks, and I'm taking my Juvia concealer and just like one shade lighter than my skin tone, and I'm going to apply that around my lips because I experienced a lot of, you know, dark marks around my lips. So this is the time for you to conceal all your blemishes and all your dark marks and everything, but don't do too much though. Like, don't be, you know, trying to look perfect, you know what I mean? And I'm taking one of my blending brushes from Real Technique, and I'm just blending the concealer, and most importantly, I'm blending around the edges of the concealer when I'm done, just to have like a smooth finish. And I know I look crazy right now, but trust the process. And I'm also going to apply setting powder just to set your concealer. Remember, every time you apply concealer or anything liquid, you always want to set that. So yeah, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Blurring Skin Tint in the shade 20. And guys, this is probably the best skin tint that I have ever laid my hands on. And it's crazy because I've been trying to get a hold of this product for the longest. Everywhere was sold out, and Sephora was sold out, online was sold out. I could not lay my hands on this product, and at that point I had just gave up. So when I stumbled across Ulta, I seen that my shade was available, and I was just like, oh my gosh, I have to get it. I have to get it. And there's no regrets, like no regrets. I love this product. It's so natural. It's my right shade, because every time when I use a skin tint from other brands, it's either too light, and there's barely any skin tint that complements dark skin girls or girls my color. So And if you don't have this product, I highly recommend you to purchase. I will link everything down in my description so you could try it for yourself. Like, there's no cap in my game. I'm so serious. This product is like, I don't even know the words to say. I love it. Please, sometimes I use my hands because you guys got to remember, a skin tint is just like a moisturizer. It's not a foundation. To me, I felt like I was being a little extra on this video. Like, it takes me 5 minutes to do my makeup. Now we get into the good stuff. This is my best and my favorite part about this routine. One thing about Selena Gomez, the girl was stepping on people's neck with this. Like, when I mean her, she put her whole body, legs, soul, her whole life on this thing, okay? Like, I'm taking my Rare Beauty liquid blush. When I tell you, this thing is just amazing. Like, if there's anything in this video that you need. As I was blending out this blush, I noticed that the shade was a little bit too light for me. I know y'all could see it, don't lie. But I went back in with the original shades that I always use. I always use the shade Encourage. So I don't know why I was being so extra on this video. As I stated before, like, I hate when this happens to me. Every time when I'm recording, I always feel like I have to try something different and then it doesn't work out. So Cat, next time just stick to the regular, okay? Now I'm going to be taking Ciate London Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. Literally, like, everything they call this product is what we're using it for. It's an everyday, more of like a vacay summer type of look, and it smells like coconut. And guys, this is some good stuff, like some really good stuff. Like, this is probably one of the thinnest setting powder that I have ever used. It's so lightweight, so thin. Like, y'all could just tell the difference from this side that I'm applying and then compared to the other side. Like, let me know if y'all see the difference, because I see it. And also, the reason why I didn't use my traditional setting powder is because it's a little bit too, like, more thicker, and it has more of a color that I'm not trying to go for. I noticed that whenever I use a translucent setting powder in the shade, like, very, very white, it just cancels out my, you know, just the color, the brassiness of my face, and it just balances out, like, my overall look that I'm trying to go for. So I highly recommend you guys to try this product and let me know if you guys like it. I loved it, and I'm definitely going to pick up some more. I'm going in with the palette that I always go for whenever I need to set my blush. And remember, every time you apply anything liquid on your face, you always have to set it with a powder. So that's basically what I'm doing right now. So I'm going back and forth with the shade orange and this lavender pink shade, and I'm just kind of like playing with the colors. And that's kind of how I always go by whenever I apply blush. It's always such a fun, creative thing, and making up colors and making up these blush colors. Like, it's always fun. Like, don't take it so serious. And I'm always coming out with the perfect duo. So that's pretty much what I was doing. And I'm going in with my Morphe Glamour bronzer in the shade Trailblazer. And y'all know this is like my favorite bronzer palette. And since I don't have like a whole foundation look or whatever, the bronzer isn't going to pick up too much of the color. So that's pretty much why I just love this bronzer. And I'm just going to darken, you know, my cheeks a little bit, give me a little slight contour. And I'm also going to, you know, contour my nose. And as you guys can see, it's not pigmented as if I'm actually doing my real makeup. So it gives me like this perfect balance with the color. Okay, so now we're moving on to my brows. I completely don't do anything to them other than apply eyebrow gel from Benefit Cosmetics. And the reason why I don't necessarily do my eyebrows is because, I don't know, I just feel like whenever I try to do the slightest of a touch to my brows, it just looked too harsh to me. And my eyebrows is already like full and dark. It's a little thin, but it's full at the end of the day. And the minute like I add a stroke, I could tell. Like, it just gets darker and darker and darker. So, to me, I don't do anything to my eyebrows. But if you need to be, and if that's your preference, then by all means. Now I will be taking my Juvia Place So Rare lip pencil, lip liner, whatever you want to call it. And the reason why I'm taking this shade is because it's nothing too dark and it's nothing too light. It's actually like the perfect skin tone, and it's not the traditional lip combo because we're not going for that look, as stated. And yeah, it just gives me like this balance. I don't know, I love it. And then I also go in with a lip gloss from the beauty supply store, so you could use any lip gloss that you want, and that'll be it. So now we have finally got to the last step, and I'm going to take this palette from Crown Pro, and I'm taking the last dark shade, and I'm just applying my highlighter, and it looks so buttery, like the perfect highlighter. You don't see how easily it just glides, and this is actually one of my other favorite parts. We have officially reached the end of this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys learned so many tricks and techniques and things that you didn't have to do and things you do have to do. And most importantly, I hope you guys are running. You guys are speeding to go purchase all these products that I put you guys onto. And comment down below if you went and bought it, and let me know your thoughts and your opinions, and let me know what you guys liked about this video. Comment and like and subscribe to join my family so you guys could stay updated with all my new videos. And don't also forget to follow me on Instagram. I will link everything down below, all the products down below, so you guys don't have to ask me what I'm using and everything. And yeah, that's it. Bye guys.